The new school year is around the corner, and we are stuffing backpacks full of brand new school supplies for students in need. We've been stuffing those backpacks all morning long for our Stuff the Bus Back to School drive, and I'm sitting down with one of our sponsors right now for more than 30 years. Mr. Rooter Plumbing of Phoenix has been helping Valley families when plumbing problems strike. Franchise owner Dan Pentago is here with his son Daly and some tips on what every homeowner should know. Welcome.
Thank you.
First of all, I love to see a father-son team that works together. Secondly, thank you so much for all your help with Stuff the Bus. That really means a lot to us and to the students in Arizona, and we appreciate it. I've got plumbing questions, okay? Because when there's a plumbing emergency, first of all, you guys do not charge extra for nights and weekends. That's when emergencies always seem to strike. But what's the most common reason people reach out to you?
I would say floods. In today's, it's floods.
So pipe burst.
Pipe burst, water heaters, leaky water heaters, things like that.
And that's very stressful because now all of your furniture is getting ruined, your flooring.
Absolutely, yeah. And we're A to Z on that, so we don't just come out and fix the leak, but it starts there. And then we move all the way through that process, and we've got a good partnership on the backside to put everything back together better than what it was before.
That's nice. Yes, because I've had people come in and they fix the plumbing problem, but now there's like loose tile and dust, right? So you guys fix it, patch it, clean it.
We do. We fix it. We contain it first, and then we fix it and do our part, and then our partners come in and they take care of everything else. And by the time we're all said and done, you can't tell that we were ever there. And sometimes it looks, but most of the time, it does look better than it did before. So,
listen, sometimes my husband Daniel tries to unclog a drain or fix a simple plumbing issue, and occasionally that makes it worse. Daly, have you had this experience where homeowners try to do their own plumbing?
Yeah, I have a lot of friends that actually try to call me and have us come out because they always try to tackle it first, and I think it's pretty funny. Like, you should have just called us to begin with, but that's fine.
Exactly. I feel like it's good to have your plumber on speed dial because you don't need them often, but when you do, you need them badly.
That's right. They're like a good doctor. When you find one, you want to keep them. Yeah. Yep.
Are there things that are particular to Arizona, plumbing issues, that we have more than other states?
There's a lot of root growth, I would say. You know, the trees are always searching for water, and the bushes, you know, they're searching for water, so they like to get after the sewer pipes underneath the ground, and so there's a lot of that. So being Mr. Rooter,
right,
you know,
right
first,
there in the name.
and then plumbing second. Yeah, we do both. We do everything, but we do a lot of drain work, and roots are the main cause of that. So,
if you don't know how much it's going to cost and you're thinking, oh my gosh, this could be an overwhelming expense, are you guys able to give an estimate? Do you come out? How does it work?
Yeah, we do. We actually come out at no charge. We've done that for over 30 years. We feel like it works the best. There's no surprises that way. Some of the prices on the internet are misleading, and so we'd like to see what the job is, what it's going to entail, how long it's going to take, which piece of equipment is best to fix. And then, of course, we always offer options. There are options.
Always.
And so we like to do that on site. And, yeah, we never charge to come out and take a look first and give an accurate price.
Well, before we let you go, how long have you guys been working together, Daly? How long have you been working with your dad?
Close to 3 years now. So I do all the marketing. So I went to ASU, did that, and then I got out, and then I started working. He wanted me to help out a little bit, so I get to do a lot of the marketing stuff. So these are the fun pieces that I get to do.
Yep.
Just different events. These are more my area. And then he's on the backside with all the technicians and everybody else.
So you're probably learning from each other, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, I felt it was very important that Daly went to school and got his degree in marketing and business. And, he's fourth generation, so so we're moving right along.
Well, Mr. Rooter, thank you so much for all your help with Stuff the Bus and all that you do in the community. Dan, son Daly, what's the best way to get in touch with you if people do have a plumbing issue?
MrReuterPlumbing.com
MrReuter.com.
/Phoenix.
Right there, because the marketing's on point because of Daily.
Yep.
Okay, look, we are still accepting some donations for Stuff the Bus. Just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder that there is still time to make a donation. I think till the end of this week. That's the QR code on your screen. If you have a couple of extra dollars, if you want to donate a backpack or school supplies or donate the money to buy those things, please use that QR code right there on your screen. And donations are still being taken until the end of the week. Once again, thank you to all of our sponsors, including Mr. Reuter.